Hey YouTube, I want to talk to you about something I think is very serious and important. I see on these different investment channels, this investment things, they talk about generational wealth. But let's pull the onion back. Let's pull the orange back and go to the next layer of what generational wealth is. Let's say you saved up all this money, 10 grand, 20 grand, whatever your number is, and you want to leave it to your son, your granddaughter, whomever. It's most essential that you set up a trust, a will, some sort of legal documentation that says what you want to do with this money. Another thing is, I know a lot of us have our investment accounts, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, Robinhood, whichever one you use. You must right now go and ensure that you have your beneficiaries defined. Beneficiaries. I'm not a financial expert. However, if you Google Prince died and he didn't have a trust or an estate plan or a will. His money is in probate. So let's assume he had 100 million, and we know he had way more than that. 25 to 30, 40% off the top goes to the state, regardless. So because he didn't have his documentation in order, estate plan, trust, or will, information is going straight to the state. So if you got 100,000 or even 1,000, pay the necessary price. I'm not suggesting legal Zoom. I'm suggesting an estate attorney. Set up your paperwork properly, meaning your estate plan, your trust, your living will, your dead will. A living will is you become incapacitated and you got something called a DNR, do not resuscitate. What happens to you? But this thing is, if you're going to make all this money, you want to preserve it. And if you talk about your generational wealth, you have to have your legal documents in order so those beneficiaries or your loved ones don't have to give half of what you've been reading and doing due diligence, watching my videos, watching other videos, and then you move on to heaven or wherever you're going, and then the state takes it. So, get your financial paperwork in order, because you're an investor now. You have to think about investing is all about time, even the time when you're not here.